So we are here now in our third lesson, the inverse trigonometric integration. So we are here have a formulas. The first one is the integral of du over square root of a squared minus u squared is equal daw lang sa arcsine of u over a plus c. Well, number two, we have the integral of du over a squared plus u squared is equal lang daw sa 1 over a, the arctan of u over a plus c. While the third one is the integral of du over u squared of u squared minus a squared is equal to 1 over a, the arcsecant of the u over a plus c. So, mapapansin natin na may konektado ito about sa ating prior knowledge si differential calculus. Kasi nga, 'di ba, when sa differential calculus, ang inverse ng arcsine is equal lang ng dito. Then, si arctan naman is ganito ang kanyang inverse na formula. While sa arcsecant. So, mahalaga talaga na magkaroon tayo muna ng prior knowledge para mas mabadali natin ang ating pagsagot sa mga problem dito sa inverse, sa integration. So, we have here the example number 1. The integral daw ng dx over the square root of 64 minus 25x squared. So, ang given naman is mga perfect square. So, ating gagawin lang is square. Kukunin natin dito yung mga squared ng 64 tsaka yung 25x squared. So, 64 is meron siyang 8, right? 8 squared. Then, minus yung 25 is just 5. Then, yung x squared is x squared. So, identify natin dito. So, itong 8 is just the constant, right? So, ito yung a natin. Then, itong 5x, ito yung ating u. So, identify natin dito kung anong magkapareha sa kanila. A, tapos u. So, itong ating 1, right? Bali, ating gagamitin is itong arcsine of u over a. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, transform natin into same sa kanina. So, din ang gawin natin arc sine. Then, u over a daw, u natin is 5x over a. Itong 8. But itong ating u is pwede pa natin siyang ma-derive. So, pwedeng u is equal to 5x, then du is equal to 5. So, dapat pair pa tayong 5 dito sa ating unahan nilalagay. Bali, 1 over 5. Then, don't forget the plus c. So, ito na ang ating sagot sa number 1. So, number 2, we have the integral of x squared dx over x raised to 6 plus 5. Then, so ang ating gagawin is, kukunin di ba natin muna yung mga perfect square na nasa denominator. So, magiging integral of the x squared dx, then itong 6x is pwede siya maging x raised to 3 and squared plus, so itong 5 is wala naman siyang perfect square, so gagawin natin siyang square root of the 5. So next, identify na natin. So itong x cube is, ito yung ating u. Then itong square root of 5, ito naman ang ating a. Then u is equal to x cube. So pwede po natin siya ma-reduce or ma-derive. Du is equal to 3x squared. Then ito naman yung a is just the square root of the 5. Then pwede natin ito ma-cancel, right? Kasi nga ito yung x squared. X squared din ito. Tingnan dx. Then para maging constant, divide natin. So marapat tayong ditong 1/3. So lagay natin dito sa labas, square root 1/3 integral of the na ito, bali magiging du over ang ating u, right? Then, x cubed raised to 2 plus square root of the 5. So, anong kalalabasan nito? Di ba arctan? Kasi nga, u squared plus a squared. So, magiging 1/3. Then, we know that sa arctan is meron pa tayong 1 over a sa unahan, right? So, 1 over a natin is square root of 5. Then, the arctan. Then, u over a, which is, ang u natin is x cubed over sa a, which is square root of 5. Then, don't forget the plus c. Combine pa natin to, right? So, 1 times 1 is 1 over sa 3 times square root of 5 is just 3 square root of 5 arctan. Then, x cubed over square root of 5 plus c. So, pwede pa rin ito para rationalize natin itong dalawa. Times na natin to sa square root of 5. Then, magiging 1 over 3 square root of 5 times to the square root of 5 over square root of 5. Then, magiging square root of 5. Then, makakancel itong. Then, 3 times 5 is 15, right? Then, ito namang x cubed over square root of 5 times to the square root of 5 over square root of 5. Then, magiging x cubed square root of 5 over sa 5. Then, our final answer will be square root of 5 over 15 arctan of square root of 5 x cubed over 5 plus c. So, ito na siya. We are here in our sample number 3, the integral of dx over 2x squared minus 2x plus 1. So, ang dapat natin gawin dito is i-factor natin to at papalabasin natin yung value ng kanilang u squared tsaka yung a squared, right? So, sa una pa lang, makikita na tayo kung anong kalabasan nito. Kasi nga, wala tayong ditong square root. So, ang pwede natin itong palabasin as arctan. Next is, so, factor muna natin to. So, pwede siyang maging 2. Labas natin 2, tas x squared minus x plus ito is 1 half. Kasi kung 2 times 1 half is just 1. Next is, kunin natin yung factor na nasa loob. Then, pwede siya maging 2. Then, x minus 1 half squared plus, pwede siya maging 1/4. Right? So, try nga natin itong pabalikin sa original na ganito kung tama ating pag-factor. Then, ito muna sa loob, x minus 1 half squared. Expand natin, x squared minus 2x times 1 half is just x. Then, 1 half times 1 half is 1/4. Then, next is, plus natin itong 1/4. So, mayroon pa dito tayong 2. Then, mayroon tayong x squared minus x. 1 plus 1 is 2. Copy yung 4. Pero 2 over 4 is just 1 half. Then, distribute natin itong 2. Magiging 2x squared minus 2x. Then 2 times 1 half is 1. So, tama yung ating pag-factor. Ito siya. Then, ito na ang ating magiging bagong denominator dito sa ating problem. So, magiging integral of dx over 2 quantity of x minus 1 half squared plus squared nito. So, magiging 1 half squared. So, palabasin lang natin itong 2. So, pwede siya maging 1 half integral of the dx x minus 1 half squared plus 1 half squared din. Then, identify natin. So, ito ating magiging u, value. Ito naman ating a. So, alam naman natin, ito ay arctan, right? So, gawin natin arctan form na. So, natin 1 half. Then, yung arctan is mentioned 1 over a sa unahan. 1 over a is equal to 1 half. Then, arctan, then u over a. Yung u natin is x minus 1 half over a, which is 1 half. Then, the plus c. Combine lang natin ito. So, 1 half. Then, ito mag-reciprocal is 2 over 1. So, cancel. Magiging 1 lang siya. Then, itong naman na x minus 1 half over 1 half. So, ang numerator muna is magiging x minus 1 half is equal to, ito yung denominator 2. 2 divided by 1 is just 2 times x is 2x. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1 times negative 1 minus 1. Then kasunod naman is itong 1 half divided by 1 half. Pero ito, pwede natin siyang reciprocal agad at yung ating magiging times na. So 2 over 1, pwede itong makancel. So yung may iwan na lang is 2x minus 1. So, ito na. Itong 1, pwede hindi na siya natin ilagay. Pwede na siya maging arc. Tan. Then, itong u over a is magiging 2x minus 1. Then, the plus c. So, ito ating final na sagot. So, dito tayo sa example number 4. The integral of dx over the square root of 12x minus 4x squared minus 5. So, tulad ng kanina is, papalabasin din natin dito o i-factor out para makuha natin ang value ng u tsaka yung a dito. So, first is, arrange muna natin tong value. Negative 4x squared plus 12x minus 5. Then, sunod is, then factor din natin tong dalawa na 4 pati yung 12. So, negative 4, then x squared, then magiging negative to dito. Para pag times mo ito, negative 4 is magiging positive din. Minus 5. So, pwede natin itong nasa loob completing the square, right? So, disregard muna natin itong negative 4 pati negative 5. Bali itong x, tapos ito daw 3x is divide natin sa 2 and magiging 3 over 2 na lang siya. Then sa labas is magkakaroon tayo ng ito is i-square natin. So, bali 3 times 3 is magiging 9 siya. Then 2 times 3 is 4. Then, itong dalawa, in negative 4 pati yung negative 5, lagay din natin. Then, itong 5. Ganyan. Pagkatapos is, didistribute natin itong negative 4 dito sa dalawa. So, negative 4, then x minus 3 over 2, then negative 4 times negative 9 over 4 minus 5. Then negative 4 x minus 3 over 2. Then negative 4 times negative 9 is positive 36. Over 4 is just a 9. minus 5. And ang magiging result nito is negative 4x minus 3 over 2. And 9 minus 5 is magiging 4 na lang. So, plus 4. Ay, nakalimutan din ito. Square dito. Kasi nga, di ba, complete the square natin to. Nakalimutan lang. Then, sa ganito, pwede natin tong ma-factor out yung 4. Saka may iwan tong dito. Like, 4. Then, ito is magiging 1 lang siya. Then, x minus 3 over 2 squared. So, ito na natin magiging final na factor dito sa ating given. So, magiging equal to integral of dx over square root of 4, 1 minus x minus 3 over 2 squared. Then, pwede natin itong palabasin. Ito ang square root of 4, right? Square root of 4 is just 2. Then, itong constant is, pwede natin siyang ilabas since constant na din siya. So, 1/2 integral of the dx over, ito yung may iwan, 1 minus x minus 3 over 2 squared. Then, kung i-square din natin to, is just a 1 lang din. So, nakuha na natin. So, ang ating gagamitin dito is, since ito ay a, right? Kasi constant lang. Then, ito naman yung ating u. Then, ang ating gagamitin dito, formula is the arc sine, which is arc sine of u over a plus c. So, transform na natin. Ito, mga tayo ditong 1/2. Then, arc sine. Then, u natin is x minus 3 over 2 over naman sa a, which is 1 lang, plus c. So, the final answer will be 1/2 is equal 1/2 arc sine. Then, ito is magiging x minus 3 over 2 plus c. Ito ating final na sagot. Then, we are here in the sample number 5. The integral of 3 plus 2x dx over x squared plus 9. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is, isa-separate natin siya sa pag-integrate. So, we have the integral of 3 over x squared plus 9 plus integral of 2x x squared plus 9. So, ito muna unahin natin. So, yung 3, constant siya. Labas natin. 3. Then, maiwan lang dito yung ating dx, right? Over sa x squared plus 9. So, ito, mapansin natin, ito na ating value ng u, right? Tapos, ito na yung ating constant na a. So, ang ating gagamitin dito is yung arctan. So, 3, mayroon tayong 3 sa labas. Arctan, di ba natin, is equal to 1 over a arctan of u over a plus c. So, sundin lang natin yan. So, mayroon tayong 1 over, kunin mo natin yung u squared tsaka yung a squared dito. So, yung x squared is magiging x na lang siya raised to 2 plus yung 3, yung perfect square nito is 3. Right? 3 times 3 is 9. Ganyan. So, ito, susundin natin to kung anong given na 1a arctan u over a plus c. So, dito, meron tayong kaninang constant na 3. Lagay natin sa unahan. Then, 1 over a daw is 3. Then, arctan u is x over a, which is 3. Then, hindi muna tayo naglagay ng plus c since meron pa tayong isa pa. Ito. Then, ito naman is labas natin yung constant which is itong 2. May iwan dito yung x, the dx, then x squared plus 9. So, may x pa tayo sa taas, right, sa numerator. Gagawin natin is, pag makancel siya, gawin natin itong x squared plus 9 as our u. So, u is equal to x squared plus 9 dx, then du is equal to 2x, right? Pagkatapos is, makakancel na itong x dx natin. Hindi na pala, test ito ding na 2. So, may iwan na lang itong ating du over x squared plus 9. So, sa ating previous lesson, pag ganito ng formation is, gagawin lang natin is, maglalat tayo ng ln of x squared plus 9. Since ang exponent naman nito is just 1. So, ang sagot dito is ln of x squared plus 9 then plus c. So, combine natin sa nakuha natin kanina, magiging ito, cancel 3 over 3, magiging arctan of x over 3 plus ln of x squared plus 9 plus c. So, ito ang ating answer.